Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT Codex in VS Code. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Next, open the Extensions panel. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl plus Shift plus X. On macOS, press Command plus Shift plus X. In the search bar, type Codex OpenAI or OpenAI.ChatGPT to find the official Codex extension. Click Install to add the extension to Visual Studio Code. After installation, click the Codex icon in the VS Code sidebar. Select Sign in with ChatGPT and log in with your ChatGPT account that has Codex access. Once signed in, return to Visual Studio Code and Codex will be ready to use. You can also optionally enter an API key in the extension settings if you prefer that method. For basic usage, open a code file in Visual Studio Code and then open the Codex chat panel. You can type natural language prompts such as generate a Python function to sort a list of dictionaries by age, fix errors in this file and explain why, or write unit tests for this module. Press enter and Codex will provide code suggestions or edits. It uses the context of the current file to give more accurate and relevant suggestions. For advanced usage, you can highlight specific code before sending a prompt for more precise edits. You can also ask Codex to analyze multiple files or the overall project structure with prompts like explain the architecture of this project or suggest improvements for this module. Codex allows customization through its settings. You can switch between different Codex models and adjust the reasoning effort to low for fast suggestions, medium or high for deeper analysis. There are approval modes as well. In chat mode, Codex only suggests edits. In agent mode, it can read your files and suggest edits. In agent full access mode, Codex can automatically edit your code, which should be used cautiously. Before making edits, it is recommended to create JIT branches or checkpoints. For large tasks, break them into smaller prompts and be clear about the programming language, style, or framework in your prompts to get the best results. That's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.